Assalamualaikum and hello all my dear viewers. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you Hyderabadi special mutton broth recipe, which is actually known as a mutton maraq. So let's get started. For this I have heated a cooker on the stove and I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of oil into it, and along with it 1 tablespoon of ghee to give rich taste and aroma. Now I'm going to add in the whole spices into it. First of all, add in 1 teaspoon of shazira, 1 teaspoon of cloves, 1 big ya fir large elaichi, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 3 to 4 bay leaves, 1 teaspoon of kebab chini, and 3 to 4 small cardamoms. Now roast it on low flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. Now add in sliced onions and saute the onions until they become transparent. I have taken 2 to 3 large sized onions and sliced it. Now after the onions get translucent, now add in 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and fry it for a minute or two. Now add in chopped coriander leaves and a few mint leaves into it, and also add in few split green chilies. And now add in the following spices: half teaspoon of turmeric powder and salt as per the taste. Do not add in red chili powder into it, as there is no red color appearing in this mutton broth recipe. Now add in the washed meat, that is, I have taken 1 kg of mutton and I have washed and drained out the water. Now continuously give it a mix and cook on high flame for about 4 to 5 minutes. Continuously keep stirring, otherwise the meat may get burnt. Now after cooking it for about 4 to 5 minutes, add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of curd and again give it a stir from bottom. And now add in water for about half cup of water you have to add in and give it a good mix. And now close the lid and pressure cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes or up to 10 to 12 whistles until the meat gets tender. Now, until it gets cooked, we are going to prepare a paste. For this, I have taken 50 grams of almonds, 1 teaspoon of poppy seeds, and 50 grams of cashew nuts. And I have peeled out the almonds by soaking it in warm water for about 10 to 20 minutes. Now add all the ingredients into the grinding jar and grind it until the powder is formed. So here I have grinded it and you can see it is coarse powder now. Now add in half cup of milk into it and close the lid and grind it into the smooth paste. So here our paste is ready. Now let's check the meat. Now I'm depressurizing the cooker in order to check whether our meat is cooked well or not. So here you can see I have opened the lid, and here the meat is cooked well and it is tender. This recipe is so good with roti, paratha, naan or bun. Now we are going to cook it again on high flame because there is some water. Now add in, after cooking it for about 3 to 4 minutes on high flame, add in the prepared paste and give it a good mix. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. And now I'm going to add in some water. So first of all, add in the water by mixing it in the grinding jar because there is a lot of remnant paste in that. Now add in water as required. Now add in few chopped coriander leaves and mint leaves. Adjust the consistency accordingly. How thick you want the maraq, you can adjust it accordingly. Also add in the split green chilies 4 to 5, and now I'm going to add in half cup or 4 to 5 teaspoons of malai. Here I'm using the malai that is separated from the boiled milk. You can even use fresh cream in case some malai is not available, or you can use malai in case fresh cream is not available. Now allow the contents to boil. As it gets boiled, now add in half teaspoon of cardamom powder, which gives very good rich aroma to the mutton maraq. Now give it a mix and cook it on low flame for about 5 to 6 minutes. Now you can add in 1 teaspoon of ghee from the top to give it a rich taste and cover it. Let's serve it in my style, which is going to be very tasty and delicious. You can see it looks so delicious and tasty. So you can try it out for sure. You will love it. It goes best with roti, paratha, naan, or even the bun or the bread. If you want to taste it with bun or bread, also, it goes very perfect and very delicious. Do give it a try and let me know your experiences in the comment section below. And if you want more such amazing videos, do subscribe to my channel. And if you find it helpful, do give it a like and do share it with your friends and family members. I'm going to try it. It is very tasty and delicious. So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next recipe soon. Till then, Allah Hafiz. Stay tuned.